Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have alkyne. You are reacting with bromine. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction may look simple, but it involves deep mechanism, which is called stereoselective addition. You have alkyne, you are adding the bromine. Whether it will form cis form or trans form, trans product is the major product because if you look at the mechanism, bromonium cation attacks the alkyne, it forms bromonium with alkene form. So it's a cation. The ring is very straightforward. Next to bromine attack, it can only attack from below because of steric reasons. So attack happen from below, one bromine is above, which leads to the trans product. So the product is trans. If you look overall, the bromine addition is anti-addition, product is trans product. The concept you outline here is stereoselective addition. Alkane reduced to bromine involves trans addition of bromine. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.